welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like a room transformation video. I said like a room transformation video because I'm not really going to transform it, but I'm just going to be like redoing few things here and there, probably like rearrange my furniture and just give it a newly vibe, so that I feel like it's a new space altogether. So that is going to be my goal. Now the reason being I'm not going to like change it drastically is because I want to make it look cute, and I also want it to be very quick because I am on a time crunch. I have been doing Diva Log series and I wouldn't be able to like how much ever I want to, I wouldn't be able to like do a lot of things. I also really want it to be cheap, so there are a couple of things that I've already ordered and I'm just going to like organize it and just place it. So I'm super excited for that. Now I have been wanting to change up the look of my room for a while now. That's because I have had this space since May 2019. In July 2019 I started using this place as a studio, so I would travel here every now and then, and anyway I used to travel a lot back then, so work was anyway pretty remote for me. Last year in November and December I lived here kinda, and then I again traveled to Jaipur. I went to Goa, and then the pandemic hit us, so again I was with my parents. Then I came back here in July I think, and since then I've been living here on my own by myself. So I really didn't like the whole studio vibe that it gave. I wanted it to feel like a bedroom that I can like just cozy up and just chill. So that is going to be my goal, to make it look like really bedroomy and not so studio kind. I also want to get a drawer or something like that where I can store my makeup and skincare and whatever the little bit PR that I get. And also my indoor plants, they kind of gave up and they died when I was away, so I'm also planning on getting plants. So yeah, that is pretty much what we are going to be doing today, and if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching and let's get started with the transformation. Okay, so this is the before of my room. This is how the room looks like. I just have my mattress here, just these cushions. I want to switch up the cushion covers, and then I also want another painting or something like that here because I think it looks a little blah. And there I have that plant holder, so I'm gonna see what I can do. Here I just have my full length mirror and the wardrobe. Now this I am definitely going to put it away. I mean, I do like it for my outfit videos when I'm shooting them, but otherwise I just think that it takes up too much space, and this is like my studio. At the same time this is my room, so I feel like I don't like that. And there I just have that painting which I was supposed to like hang it up, but I'm not able to get someone to like drill it for me. So yeah, that's that. And here earlier I just had this box, like a brown colored box. I just recently only put these frames which I really like, so I'm just going to keep this like it is. And this thing I've still not figured out as to what I'm going to do, but this is going for sure. And these two things I still have to figure out. And I just have my books right there and all my like technical stuff right behind my mirror. But yeah, that's about it. I also really wanted to switch up my mirror, but for now I really like it. It's really nice, so I'm not going to do that. But so far that's what my room looks like. The transformation, I just have this table that I got from IKEA. I ordered it I think a week ago and it arrived just yesterday, so I'm going to try and assemble it. I obviously have Samarth with me because he is into mechanical engineering, I'm guessing, and also hoping that he knows what he's doing. So yeah, most of it he's going to do. I'm just going to like just okay, do the little work. so now I'm gonna go and get some plants for the room, and also I'm going to go and see if I can get like some quirky pots. Let's start from the bed. Now I have had this mattress for I think a year now. Yeah, I got this last year in Jan. This is by Flow. It's a really good mattress. The reason I don't have a bed, I recently actually had this conversation with a friend, and that's because I just feel like it's pretty good to be minimal, and even though I'm like really far away from the whole minimalism concept, because if you clearly look at my wardrobe, it says otherwise. I am not a minimalist there, at least in that part, and I'm really trying to be. So let's see. But now for this space, I'm obviously going to keep it as is. The one thing that I'm going to switch up is obviously the bed sheets. I really like my white bed sheets, to be very honest. I mean, it just makes the space look clean and really nice, and I like that about it. But I have kind of gotten bored of it. This beige bed sheet, yeah, couldn't really go too far from, you know, white. So yeah, this is the best that I could do, and this is beige, which I really like. So yeah, I got this from IKEA for 50 rupees, I guess, and I really hope that you know, like it fits my bed, because I'm not too sure. So it comes with elastic, which is such a savior. Great, and my hair is it, but yeah, that's okay. So the bed is looking nice. I am just going to be putting some cushions. Okay, so now I'm just going to switch up my cushion covers. I think even changing up a little bit, like just changing your cushion covers and bed sheets, can, I think, totally change up the look of your room. So yeah, I quickly show you. Going to act as a accent cushion. So I got this. I really like this. This is like a macrame sort of a thing, and it also goes really well with the bed sheet, because this is also kind of like off-white, so the same color family. This baby needs to go, so I'm just going to take it outside. Cool. I know the title says 24-hour transformation, and it really is. The problem is, me and Samarth actually got locked out yesterday, because of which I couldn't film this that I'm filming right now. So if you look at it, technically we spent like maybe 5 hours you know, doing the room, so I still have 19 hours left. So please look at it like that and don't come at me. But yeah, okay, so this is the drawer that we built yesterday, like me and Samarth, as you guys must have seen. I got it from IKEA. It's pretty good. It will easily fit in all my makeup and skincare. And now I'm just going to set this up a little bit. I really didn't want to like throw it away, like this painting, because I think it's kind of like a signature thing. A lot of people also comment on my Instagram posts, and sometimes even videos saying ooh la la. So this is more like a you know, the signature thing, and I don't want to give it away or just like throw it away. So yeah, I'm just going to put some things right here, figure it out how I want to go about it. I really wanted to get rid of these two things, but the problem is Samarth did not get any of the things that I asked him to get. So I am going to keep this, and also another reason why I'm not getting rid of this box is because I thought that this would fit in to the screws that are already there, but it did not. So yeah, I really want to put this. I also want to like rearrange my mirror. So right now it's like this, and when I came in, like when I started living here, it was kind of like this. So yeah, I'm just going to like switch it up a bit. Okay, so I just got done with the transformation slash like redoing my room, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So if you want to watch my room tour video, come tomorrow and you'll find the room tour video. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Like, I've been wanting to do this for a while, and yeah, I just feel really good. So if you like this video and found it helpful and interesting and entertaining, then make sure that you like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me, so please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye. Also, yeah, make sure you come tomorrow. Bye.